Hello guys, welcome again to this channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe. I post a lot of good contents on this channel. Pig farming, goat farming, cattle farming. That's what I do on this channel. So you should make sure you subscribe. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about how to know if your pig is pregnant. How to know if your sow is pregnant. So unlike in human being, in fact, there is no much difference between animals and human beings when it comes to pregnancy because it's almost the same features. So, but in pigs, once you have to know that is that when your pig starts to get pregnant, there are some certain things you have to check out for, so that it will help you to separate them from the flock. Because once you have a pregnant pig that is still in the same pen with other female pigs, that is in the same pen with boas, when they start fighting, it might cause early birth. That's the pig will give birth to. It will give birth to babies that are not matured. It can even cause abortion. So that's why it's always important to know when your pig is pregnant at that early stage, so that it will help you separate it from other pigs, so that they will not fight and she lose the pregnancy. So if your pig is pregnant, the first thing you have to check for is the stomach. The stomach. Wait. The first thing you have to check for. The first thing you have to check for is the stomach. The stomach has gotten bigger. I don't know if you people can see it. The stomach has gotten bigger. Pigs are normally big, but once they are pregnant, their stomach becomes big. Then another thing you have to check out for is the flanks. Their stomach flanks sink inside. This pig, the size of the stomach, the size of stomach have sunk inside. Let me pet it so it will come down. The flanks of the stomach has sinked inside. So that's another feature. Apart from the big belly, the next thing you have to check out for is the size of the flank. If they have sunk in. Now the third thing you have to check out for is the teeth, the breast teeth. If you can see this pig, the teeth have swollen. I don't know if you can see it. The teeth are swollen. So that's another sign of pregnancy. That is the accumulation of milk have just begun. So when it gives birth, there will be milk for the piglets. Now, at the late. Now, once like the pig is reaching like close to the birth time, another feature which is like the final feature which is confirmed that the pig is pregnant is that the belly starts like dragging. It will come down very, very low. It will become very big and start dropping. Like the pig, if the pig is walking, the belly sometimes might be scratching on the floor because the stomach has gotten very big, especially when the pig is carrying a lot of piglets in the stomach. Then another sign is also that the vulva will swell up, like it will be swollen abnormally. It's not like the pig. It's not like the swell you notice when the pig is on heat. This one is different. It will swell very, very much. And I've said that the pig is about to give birth. Like maybe it's 1 month away, 3 weeks away, 2 weeks away. That's when the swell usually comes out very, very much. So that's on how to know if you're like the signs of pregnancy in a pig. So that's on today's video. If you're not subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe. I talk about goats, I talk about cattle, I talk about pigs on this farm. So make sure you subscribe. And if you're also about to start your pig farm, you need the right knowledge to go into a business. So that's why I always advise people that if you want to enter into pig farming, make sure you get the right information. So I have an ebook on pig farming. If you are about to enter, if you're already in the pig farming process and you are still facing some challenges, I advise you to get this ebook. It will help you in a very, 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 very big way. It will help you because I've been in this pig farming for a good number of years now, and I've accumulated a lot of experiences. And this ebook is like the complete package. It will help you not to make those mistakes, and it will help you, to get more profit out of this business. So thank you guys for watching this video, and subscribe. Thank you.